The internet is full of misinformation, and that's why we verify, to separate social media fact from fiction. And in light of the leaked Supreme Court draft opinion on Roe v. Wade, we're seeing a lot of people talk about whether or not Maryland's Constitution includes a right to an abortion. So does it? Let's verify. Our sources are House Bill 1171, David Rocha from the ACLU of Maryland, and two legal experts from the University of Baltimore, Michelle Gilman and Odina Neal. And our experts say that there's no explicit right to an abortion in the Constitution. However, that was something that was proposed in HB 1171. That's a bill that passed in the Maryland House of Delegates, but the measure failed to advance in the state Senate this past session.
If it had passed, it would have been sent to the voters in November to vote on as a referendum.
And that's all part of the process to add something to the Maryland Constitution. You need a 3/5 vote in both chambers, and then it goes to the voters as a ballot question.
It has to be ratified, approved by a majority of the voters.
But since none of this happened, we could verify that no, abortion rights are not explicitly enshrined in the Maryland Constitution. But that's not to say that Maryland doesn't have any abortion rights on the books.
We have had the right to abortion protected by statute in Maryland since 1991.
But laws are easier to repeal, which is why advocates were pushing for a constitutional amendment.
It's difficult to do, but it's also difficult to undo.
With your Verify, I'm Evan Kozloff.